Hello, and welcome to Partners in Shidduchim. We are delighted that you've joined our network to search for a match for yourself or for someone that you know. The goal of this two-part video series is to show you the basics of the PINS site so that you can get started today with effectively searching the thousands of profiles. This video number 1 will show you how to search. The very first thing you'll need to do is to log into your account. Using the username and the password provided to you by Member Services, go ahead and enter the site. If you have any difficulty with this step or haven't yet received your login, please email support@partnersinshidduchim.com and we'll be glad to assist. Once you're in, it's time to start your search. There are 4 ways to search the site. Random, randomized results, column head, and the best feature of all, the search bar. Method number 1 is random. When you come onto the site, the profiles will appear automatically in a randomized order. You can search this way using the right and left arrows at the top and bottom of the screen to toggle between pages. Method number 2 is randomized results. Click here to further mix up the results randomly each time you click. Method number 3 is column head. To do a quick search by ID, alphabetic order of last name, or age, simply click on the relevant header. Note, the higher the ID number, the more recently the member has been added to the site. You can use this to keep your weekly check-in supremely organized, meaning if you looked through profile 11,585 last Sunday, you can use this to find all profiles updated since. Note that when selecting name, it'll first show those without last names, followed by members with the last name beginning A, B, C, etc. And age is self-explanatory. Click once or twice on any header to reverse the order. Method number 4 is the search bar. This is hands down the best feature of the site. This search bar allows you to do a customized search to narrow results to the most relevant profiles. Here you can search by name or ID, gender, age range, height range, types of religious observance, marital status, is the member a Kohen, Baal or Balat Shuva, Ger or Gioret, what ethnic background are they from? You may also enter a specific location or any keyword or any particular word that comes to mind, like optimistic, generous, learning. This will bring up profiles that have this word in any of the description sections, either the personal description or the looking for paragraphs. Let's do one example. We'll select male. We'll say age 32 to 40. And we'll just select Lawrence as location, and the keyword, we'll use passionate. Search. And here we go. 3 profiles, they happen to all be samples to protect our members' privacy, have come up meeting this criteria. Let's take a look at one of these to see where that word passionate was found. There we go. I am a kind, compassionate, passionate, and funny person. This drives home the importance of spending the extra few minutes to really refine your description sections. This way, when someone is using this feature, they'll find you. All right, so you're conducting your search and you see a profile that seems relevant. Now what? There are multiple options. Continue on to orientation clip number 2 to learn about those. See you there.